This video will demonstrate the initial setup of the iMix 14 hot beverage system. Attach the water line to the flared adapter and then tighten. Attach water line to fitting on the bottom of the dispenser. Turn on the water supply. Connect to the power source. Water will automatically flow into the tank to the proper level and then shut off. When the tank is full of water, open the front door and place the heater switching the on position. A tank full of cold water will take approximately 18 minutes for the water to heat. Install the drip tray bracket. Then the backsplash panel on the bracket. Tighten screws. Position drip tray onto the bracket rails under backsplash panel. Fill the 6 hoppers with the dry product to be dispensed. Then load the hoppers into the dispenser. The dispenser is ready for operation.